Hello kids, how are you? I am back again. Okay, so in our previous chapter, in our previous class, I had given instructions to you to complete your question answers in your notebook. This C section, answer these questions that we had completed in our last lecture. Now today again we will do D, exercise number D from your English textbook. Okay, discuss. Why does Shruti's mother put a basket on her bicycle? Think and answer. You had already read this chapter. So give me answer. Why does Shruti's mother put a basket on her bicycle? This question came in your section C also. The answer is same. That Shruti's mother put a basket on her bicycle so that she can put the things in the basket. Okay, so that she can put the things in the basket. If you have basket in your bicycle, you can also put your things in this basket. Okay, so this you can write in your own words. What are the things you want to keep in that basket? Okay, see now. Speaking skills. Okay, what did you get on your last birthday? Tell your classmates. What you have to do? That you all are celebrating your birthday. You all are getting gifts from your parents, from your friends. Okay, from your grandparents. All of them, they are giving gifts to you now. So you have to discuss with your friend about your last birthday and tell them that what are the gifts you got. Okay. So we can begin like this. This is a discussion between two friends, and you can also discuss with your mother, father, with your friends. Okay, so let's start the discussion. Okay. On my last birthday, my parents gave me a story book. See here what she is saying. She is a girl. What she is saying? On my last birthday, my parents gave me a story book. Okay, the girl is saying to the boy that on my last birthday, my parents gave me a story book. You also like to listen the story? Okay, so now the boy is saying, how wonderful, Sia. Well, he is very exciting by listening that he got the story book. And now he is saying, how wonderful, Sia. So what did you get on your birthday? Now again this girl is asking from the boy, what did you get on your birthday? आपको आपके birthday पर क्या मिला? Now the boy is replying, my parents gave me a plant as a gift. So the boy is saying, my parents, they gave me a plant. Okay, I water it daily. Wow. See what he is doing? His parents gave him a plant and he water it daily. So this is the discussion between a boy and a girl about their last birthday. So first the girl is saying, on my last birthday, my parents gave me a story book. What she is saying? That on my last birthday, my parents, they had gifted her what? A story book. So boy is replying, how wonderful, Sia. He is very exciting by listening that, and he told, how wonderful, Sia. Now again is the turn of Sia. He is asking from the boy, what did you get on your birthday? This is a question. So he asked, what did you get on your birthday? So now the boy is replying, my parents gave me a plant. What he is replying? That my parents gave me a plant as a gift. I water it daily. Wow. So the girl, what she got in her last birthday? She got a story book. Her parents gave her a story book. Okay, so the boy replied, how wonderful, Sia. Now it's the turn of the Sia to ask the question from the boy. Now she's asking, what do you get on your birthday? So the boy is replying, my parents gave me a plant. My parents gave me a plant and I water it daily. Okay, so this is a very good thing that we should plant a tree and we should give water to it daily. Okay, now second. Pronunciation. Say these words aloud. Okay. See, you are able to see the book. See. Say these words aloud. Cat. Now see the pronunciation. Cat. Okay. See the pronunciation. Cat. Cat. Okay. Now second one is cake. 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 So this is cat, this is cake. See the difference between sounds? Cat, this is a loud sound, and cake, this is a soft sound. Okay, cat, cake, cat, cake. So like this, another words also you have to read it properly. Say these groups of words aloud. Now see, I am going to write on the board and you have to repeat after me. Okay, hey, H-A-Y, hey, H-A-Y, hey. Now B-A-Y, bay, B-A-Y, bay. Now see, I am going to write rat, R-A-T. Now see the difference between the pronunciation? Rat. Now I am saying loud sound, rat. Okay, now bat, B-A-T, bat. Okay, now again fan, F-A-N, fan, F-A-N, fan. Now T-A-N, tan. See, there is a difference between tan and ten. The spelling of tan with T-E-N is spelling of tan. So the E is a soft sound word. So we are saying ten. But tan, here A is coming. So what we told? Tan. Okay. Now next one, hat. Hat, 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 hat. At mat, at mat. Okay, now repeat after me once again all these words. Hey, H-A-Y, hey, B-A-Y, bay. Okay, now rat. Say loudly, rat, bat, fan, tan, hat, mat. Okay, now see, after this vocabulary is there in your book. See, the bicycle is orange and yellow in color. You had already read a story. In this story, what is the color of the bicycle? Red and orange. Red and orange. So this is the vocabulary. The bicycle is orange and yellow in color. So orange and yellow are names of the colors. So see here, there is a haphazard words are given. So we have to arrange the spellings. Okay, so I am going to do it on the board and you have to do this exercise in your book. Also, no need to do this exercise in your notebook. Only in your book you have to do this exercise. I am going to do it on the board. Okay. Okay, now number 1. See what is written here. Number 1. Okay, E-B-U-L. It is written like this in your book. And what is the color? See, what is the color? The color is blue. Okay, and what is the spelling of blue? Now we have to arrange the spelling. Okay, so the color of blue is B-L-U-E, blue. Okay, so here on number 1 you have to write the correct spelling. B-L-U-E, blue. B-L-U-E, blue. Okay, you have to rearrange the words and you have to make the proper spelling by seeing the color. Okay, here the color is also there, so you have to write here blue. Okay, so number 2. Now number 2. What is written here? E-N-G-E-R. Okay. Now again we have to rearrange the letters and we have to make the correct spelling. Okay, now see here, what is the color? You can see in your book, what is the color? Green. This color is green. See, when double sound word is coming, then you have to say little bit long, like double is coming, so green. We cannot say green. Okay, green. Now repeat after me. G-R-E-E-N. Green. Okay, you have to say green. Don't say green. Green, because double is coming, that means loud sound. Okay, long sound. Green. Okay. Now number 3. Number 3 is N-K letters and make proper spelling. So now the color is pink. The color is pink. Okay. So we will write P-I-N-K. Pink. Okay. What we will write? P-I-N-K. Pink. Okay. Girls like pink color. Yes, I also like pink color. So P-I-N-K. Pink. You have to write here on number 3. Okay, on number 4. Number 4, what is written here? L-E-P-R-U-P. Like this it is written in your book. Okay, so see the color. See the color in your book. Which color is this? Which color is this? Purple. This is purple color. Now we have to write the proper spelling of color purple. Okay. So P-U-R-P-L-E, purple. Write the spelling on your book. Okay. P-U-R-P-L-E, purple. P-U-R-P-L-E, purple. Okay, now number 5. Number 5, again we have to rearrange the letters and make the proper spelling. It is written here R-Y-E-G. Okay. So now we have to arrange the letters and make the proper spelling. So which color is this? Gray. Okay. So spelling of gray we have to write here. G-R-E-Y, gray. Okay. G-R-E-Y, gray. Now once again repeat after me. Number 1, you have to write the spelling of blue. B-L-U-E, blue. B-L-U-E, blue. B-L-U-E, blue. Okay. Number 2, G-R-E-E-N, green. G-R-E-E-N, green. P-I-N-K, pink. P-I-N-K, pink. P-U-R-P-L-E, purple. P-U-R-P-L-E, purple. Then spelling of gray. G-R-E-Y, gray. G-R-E-Y, gray. So this exercise you have to do in your book. No need to do this exercise in your notebook. Okay. It is already given in your book. Okay. Page number 5 in your textbook. Okay. Now I am going to teach you some new thing today. Grammar portion. I am going to teach you some new thing on page number 6. Okay. Page number 6 it was written here. So I am going to teach you this thing. First you copy down this, then we will go on that. Okay. You have to repeat the spelling again and again while writing also, so that you can learn the spellings of the colors. So repeat the spelling when you are writing in your book. That time you have to repeat and repeat and repeat, so that you can learn the spellings. Okay. Okay, now I am going to rub this, and now we will move to next portion. Okay. So, see, on page number 6, grammar portion is given there. So, today we will learn about this, okay? Read this sentence. Look at the words in green. In green color some words are given. So, you have to look at here. See, Shruti has a bicycle. Now, do you know the meaning of noun? What is noun? Noun. Okay? Noun. N-O-U-N, noun. Noun definition. हिंदी में संज्ञा बोलते हैं. Definition of noun. Okay? That means in that naming words are coming. Okay? Noun is the name of the person, place and things. That means किसी का नाम आता है, किसी जगह का नाम आता है, किसी थिंग का नाम आता है, वो सब चीजें नाउन कहलाती हैं. क्या कहलाती है? नाउन. जैसे आपको मैंने चैप्टर नंबर 1 आपकी इंग्लिश ग्रामर बुक में बताया था कि व्हेन यू स्टार्ट योर नेम देन यू हैव टू राइट योर नेम इन कैपिटल लेटर, डोंट स्टार्ट योर नेम विथ स्मॉल लेटर. इफ योर नेम इज नेहा, फॉर एग्जाम्पल, if your name is Neha, so we can write here like this, capital N-E-H-A, Neha, and your surname also, okay, so surname also we should start from capital letter, Neha Mahajan, okay, so Neha Mahajan, again M will come in capital letter, M-A-H-A-J-A-N. This is a name, this is a surname. So name also starts with capital letter and surname also starts with capital letter. If you will write your name like this, Neha Mahajan, then this is the wrong way of writing. This is the right way of writing your name and your surname. So keep it in your mind that whenever you start to write your name, start with capital letter only, don't start with small letter. As the same rule follow here also in your surname also. When you write your surname, the first letter should come in capital itself, it will not come in small form. Okay, so this is the right way to write the name and surname. And whenever you are writing the name of any place, like you lives in Khargone, okay, our native place is Khargone, we lives in Khargone. So Khargone is a city, Khargone is a place, Khargone is a city. So that also we have to write K capital, Khargone, like this, okay? Because Khargone is also a name of the city. Khargone is also a name of the city. So here Khargone is in here also K we should write in capital letter like Indore. So I will come in capital letter. We should not start from small letter. Indore, okay? Mumbai, M-U-M-B-A-I. Here also capital letter. So now is the name of the person, place and things. Okay? किसी का भी नाम अगर हम लिख रहे हैं, आपका लिखेंगे, पापा का नाम लिखेंगे, मम्मा का लिखेंगे, ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स का लिखेंगे, फ्रेंड्स का लिखेंगे, किसी का भी हम नाम लिखेंगे, फर्स्ट लेटर हमेशा कौन सा होना चाहिए? कैपिटल. डोंट स्टार्ट विथ स्मॉल लेटर. एंड एज वेल एज व्हेन यू राइट द सरनेम आल्सो, सो इट कैन आल्सो स्टार्ट फ्रॉम स्मॉल कैपिटल लेटर. It will not start from small letter. I had already shown you the example on the board. Like this, this is city name. This is also the example of city. So city name also starts from capital letters. City names also starts from capital letters. Okay? Okay, now let's see what we can do. Okay? See. From the book you can find out Shruti is a naming word. Shruti is a naming word. Why it is written like this? Because Shruti is the name of a girl. Shruti is the name of a girl. So Shruti is a naming word. So it is a noun. It is a noun. And bicycle is naming word of a thing. So it is a noun. And bicycle is also a name of the thing. So it is also a noun. Okay? A naming words can be the name of. किसके किसके मैंने आपको बताया? पर्सन, प्लेस, एनिमल और थिंग. अब देखो, अब आपको इसमें डिफरेंशिएट करना है लाइक दिस. पर्सन, अब आप बोलेंगे मैम राइट नाउ यू टोल्ड कि वी हैव टू राइट इन कैपिटल लेटर, बट यहाँ तो बॉय जो लिखा है वो स्मॉल में लिखा है. द थिंग इज दैट कि बॉय में कोई भी बॉय हो सकता है, वो किसी का नाम नहीं है, वो लड़का है. बट अगर नाम आ रहा है, जैसे यहाँ पे देखो नाम आ रहा है अरुण. अरुण इज अ बॉय एंड इट इज अ नेमिंग वर्ड कि इस लड़के का नाम अरुण है. So Arun is a name, that's why it is written in capital letter A. And Riya is also a girl. That means the girl name is Riya. So the spelling started from capital letter Riya. That means उसमें हम boy का name हो सकता है, girl का name हो सकता है, man हो सकता है, woman हो सकता है, कोई भी हो सकते हैं. वो सबके names आते हैं. So वो that is known as a person. Okay? Now place. Place हमारा home, हमारा घर, garden, school, park, city Jaipur, then our country India. Okay, so these are the place. When you write our country, that the name of my country is India. So India comes at last also, but then also we have to write in capital letters. Don't write in small letter, okay? If you write your school name, if I will ask the question, what is the name of your school? Then you will write the name of my school is. Then you will write Gokul Das Public School. That also will comes in capital letters. G, Gokul Das. In Gokul Das, G will come in capital letter. Public in that P will come in capital letter. Okay, and school, S will come in capital letter. So Gokul Das Public School. The name of my school is Gokul Das Public School. An animal, see, dog. Dog is an animal. Sparrow, wolf, fish. Now see here, Bruno. In this Bruno, B is written in capital. Why? Because Bruno is the name of a dog. Okay, Bruno is the name of a dog. So it is written Bruno, B in capital letter. After that, see Kitty. K is also written here in capital form because the name of that cat should be Kitty. So it is written Kitty, K in capital form. Okay. Now things, book, cup, eraser, car, toy, box, anything can come. Okay. Now see, this is the exercise. I had already explained about this. This is the exercise. Read these naming words. Write them in the table below. Okay. Now see what they had done. They had done this exercise. Okay. They had divided them into 4 forms. Okay. So I am going to write here. Number 1, chair is written here. C-H-A-I-R, chair. Then house, H-O-U-S-E, house. Then tiger, T-I-G-E-R, tiger. Then sister, S-I-S-T-E-R, sister. Okay. Now second number, father, F-A-T-H-E-R, father. Aunt. Then pencil. Then giraffe. Okay, then car, Mumbai. See here, M is capital here because it is a name of a city. Okay, Mumbai. Then clock. Then bank. Bank is a place. Okay, bank is a place. After that, butterfly. Butterfly. After that, rat. Park. And Varun. Varun is the name of a person, so it is written in capital. Okay. Now what you have to do? You have to divide this into 4 boxes. Okay. See, in your book already it was given here like this. So you have to write here. Okay. Now what we will do? We will write a person, place, okay, then animal, okay, then last thing. Now what we have to do? We have to choose the in this table, that in this table, person who will come, place who will come, animal who will come, and thing what will come here. Okay, so that we have to see. Okay, that we have to see. Now let's start choosing chair. C-H-A-I-R, chair. So chair is the name of a person? No. Chair is the name of a place? No. Chair is an animal? No. Chair is a thing? Yes. Chair is a thing. So here in this format, your chair will come. Okay. C-H-A-I-R, chair. Here we have to write chair. Now see number 2. Number 2 is house. H-O-U-S-E, is a person? No, it is a place. Yes, because we lives in our house, so house is a place. Okay, so here house will come. H-O-U-S-E, house, because we lives in our house. हमारा घर वो हमारी जगह है जहाँ हम रहते हैं. तो house is a place. Number 3, tiger. Number 3, tiger. So tiger is a person? No. Tiger is a place? No. Then what is a tiger? Tiger is an animal. So here tiger will come. T-I-G-E-R, tiger. Okay. Now see. Sister. Sister means बहन. हमारी बहन person है, place है, animal है या thing है? क्या है? Sister is a person. वो हमारी बहन है. So it will come here. Sister. S-I-S-T-E-R. Sister. Okay. So like this you have to do. Now see. Father. Father means पापा. पापा क्या है? Person है ना पापा. पापा person है, place है, thing है, क्या है पापा? पापा is a person. So here father will come here. Okay. F-A-T-H-E-R, father. Okay. Now aunt. Aunt means हमारी आंटी. बुआ को भी हम aunt बोलते हैं, चाची को भी बोलते हैं, तो वो भी एक person है. Okay. So aunt will come here. A-U-N-T, aunt. Okay. It is not ant. एंड की स्पेलिंग होती है A-N-T, एंड. एंड मतलब कीड़ी. वो जो काला वाला कीड़ा होता है वो एंट होता है. ये आंट है. द डिफरेंस बिटवीन इज दैट स्पेलिंग इज A-N-T एंड दिस इज A-U-N-T, आंट. ओके. नाउ पेंसिल. यू ऑल राइट विद पेंसिल. सो पेंसिल इज अ थिंग. एक है ना, थिंग है ना वो. तो पेंसिल किसी पर्सन का नाम है क्या? कोई जगह है क्या? वो एनिमल है क्या? नो. पेंसिल क्या है? थिंग. So pencil will come here. P-E-N-C-I-L, pencil. Now giraffe. Giraffe is a animal. Giraffe is a animal. So it will come in this category. Giraffe. Okay. Now see car. C-A-R, car. कार क्या है? कार कोई जगह है जिसमें आप रहते हो? कार किसी का नाम है? नहीं. कार क्या है? थिंग है. वो एक कुछ चीज है. कार जिसे हम ट्रेवल करते हैं वन प्लेस टू अनदर प्लेस. सो इट विल कम इन दिस कॉलम. ओके. कार. C-A-R, कार. इट हेल्प्स अस टू ट्रेवल फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर प्लेस. ओके. नाउ सी मुंबई. मुंबई क्या है? मुंबई जगह का नाम है ना. मुंबई एक सिटी है. सिटी का नाम है मुंबई. सो इट विल कम हियर इन द column of place. Mumbai, because Mumbai is the name of a city. Okay. Now clock. Clock क्या है? घड़ी. आप टाइम देखते हो क्लॉक में? तो क्लॉक क्या है? कोई पर्सन है? आप क्लॉक को अपना फ्रेंड बोलते हो कि हाय क्लॉक, हाउ आर यू? सो क्लॉक इज अ पर्सन? नो. क्लॉक इज ए एनिमल? नो. देन क्लॉक इज ए थिंग. क्लॉक इज अ थिंग. एक वो चीज है. ओके. जिसमें हम क्या देखते हैं? टाइम देखते हैं. सो क्लॉक विल कम इन दिस कैटेगरी. ओके. C-L-O-C-K, क्लॉक. ओके. नाउ बैंक. बैंक क्या है? आपके मम्मा पापा बैंक में जाते हैं. आपको मालूम है बैंक में क्या होता है? मनी डिपॉजिट होता है हमारा. बहुत सारे काम बैंक में होते हैं. कंप्यूटराइज्ड भी होते हैं. मम्मा पापा को जाना पड़ता है वहाँ पे मनी डिपॉजिट करने के लिए, मनी लाने के लिए. आप लोगों की सारी जो चीज़ें रहती है ना, वो सब चीज़ें मम्मा पापा कहाँ से लाते हैं? पैसे से आता है ना. आपकी ड्रेस लेना हो तो शॉपकीपर को पैसा देना पड़ता है. तो मम्मा पापा वो पैसा कहाँ पे रखते हैं? बैंक में. वहाँ से लाते हैं ना आपके लिए. तो बैंक इज अ प्लेस. बैंक इज अ प्लेस. सो बैंक विल कम हियर. B-A-N-K, बैंक. ओके. ओके. नाउ बटरफ्लाई. बटरफ्लाई क्या है? Butterfly is an animal. So it will come in this category. Butterfly. Okay. Now see rat. Rat is also an animal. R-A-T, rat. Park. Park मतलब बगीचा. बगीचे में हम लोग खेलते हैं. बच्चे तुम लोग जाके खेलते हो गार्डन बगीचे में, पार्क में. तो पार्क इज अ प्लेस. सो इट विल कम हियर. पार्क. P-A-R-K, park. Okay. Now Varun. Varun is a name of a person. किसी का नाम है वरुण. So it will come here in person. So this table you have to complete in your book. Okay. This table you have to complete in your book. Okay. So today page number 5 and page number 6 we had completed the exercises of page number 5 and page number 6. Okay. In our next lecture we will do the rest of the exercise of this chapter. So this is your work, this is not your homework, this is your CW. You have to write this in your book, and the names of the colors which was given on page number 5, that also you have to do in your book. Okay, bye, have a nice day.